Hey everyone, welcome back to Rare Techno. Today, we're exploring the exciting world of the 2025 GMC Yukon AT4 Ultimate, a full-size SUV that promises both adventure and luxury. If you're searching for a family vehicle that can handle off-road trails without sacrificing comfort, this could be your dream machine. Let's begin with the impressive exterior. The 2025 Yukon AT4 Ultimate makes a bold statement with its squared-off front fascia, signature C-shaped LED lighting, and a grille that dares the trail to come closer. The AT4 trim features unique dark chrome accents, red tow hooks, and skid plates that highlight its capabilities. And those 20-inch machined aluminum wheels wrapped in all-terrain tires? They mean business. From the side, the high stance and rugged cladding give this SUV a ready-for-anything vibe, while still maintaining a premium look. At the back, the clean lines, LED taillights, and hidden exhaust tips complete a design that feels modern yet tough.